Welcome back to the Daily Real Estate Coaching Show. So it's been a long break, and of course this morning when the alarm went off at 6:30, and I thought to myself, oh, really? Because I'm not a morning person, really. But I thought to myself, I know a lot of people talk about this, and we talk about that morning routine and getting ready and hitting the day in a certain way. And so my question to you, as I stated in the text here, is when that alarm goes off, is it like me, or is it all right, let's go, we're going to hit the day, and go from there? And so that is my question. I'd love for you to answer it in the comments below, and just, give some feedback on whether you think that impacts your day or not. I personally think it can, but obviously being on the side of the I hope that it doesn't too much. So let's talk about it. Comment below. Have a great day.